Hi everyone, it's G Auntie's Kitchen. I've got here peanut butter oatmeal cookies. Please continue watching as I show you the ingredients I will be using. Shortening or margarine, vanilla, homemade peanut butter, eggs, white sugar, brown. I would also use flour, oatmeal, baking soda and salt. I've already sifted the flour. So I'll go right ahead now and sieve the baking soda and the salt. Mix everything together. Also need chocolate chips. So I'm going to use part chocolate chips since they are expensive and part of regular chocolate. This has been put inside the fridge to make the cutting easier and it should do the trick. So here's the chocolate chips and the chopped chocolates. It should be about a cup of it. In a bowl, I'm going to combine the butter or all the butter to be used. So that's the shortening. Use butter, you could use margarine. Next, I'm going to add the peanut butter. This is the peanut butter I made in the last video. Next, add the brown sugar and the white sugar. So I'm going to cream this together. The creaming is okay right now. So I'm going to beat the 2 eggs before I add it to the creamed mixture. I'll add the vanilla now, about a teaspoon of vanilla. All properly mixed together. What I'm going to do now is to add the flour and the oatmeal. I'm adding this in 2 batches, so it will be easier for me to mix. I'm going to add the final batch of the oatmeal and the flour. The dough is almost ready to be baked. It is well mixed. The last thing I'm going to add is the chocolate. I have the chocolate chip and the pieces I cut. Here we go. I'll fold this in. When it is done, I'm going to bake in a baking tray lined with paper. I've greased the paper. I'm going to drop by tablespoons. I'm going to shape the cookie dough so that they're a little bit uniform in shape. They are ready to be baked in the preheated oven. I'm going to put it in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes on medium heat. Peanut butter oatmeal cookies is done. Thanks for watching.